Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm back again with a hair tutorial. And just like our title suggests, I'll be showing you how to install a flat lace closure wig, which I believe it's beginner friendly. So yeah, I'll be showing you step by step. So if you want to see how I achieve this transformation, keep it locked and let's dive straight into the video. So this is how the lace closure unit looks like. It's 180% density, straight human hair. I'm already in love with how full and packy the unit is. So yes, we are good to go. First things first, I'll start by placing the unit right on my head, then tie a small knot at the back to prevent the hair strands from coming to my face when cutting the lace. When you're done fitting the wig, grab yourself a sharp pair of scissors and a razor eyebrows that looks like this. You can get these razors from any beauty shop around you, not more than 100 shillings in town. First, use your pair of scissors to part your lace into two like I'm doing. So next, using the eyebrow razor, cut off the lace from the perimeter of the wig. This is pretty much simple. Cut right along the hairline, getting as close as you can to where the hair starts, but just making sure not to cut off any of the actual hair. I prefer this type of razors when cutting all my lace wigs. This is because it gives a seamless cut, not leaving any traces of lace hanging. And boom, we are done with one side of the lace, just like that. Repeat the same steps you did to this other side, carefully and gently, not to leave any lace hanging. Make sure you have a seamless cut. Fit the wig once more into your head, making sure it's seated well across the perimeter of your head. Comb it to give it its shape after the lace cut. Next, I will apply the elastic band to the wig, and I do that by taking the band, placing it behind the ears, gently stretching it so it feels comfortable on my head, and then eventually I will cut it to the desired measurements. With a needle and a thread, attach the elastic band on the hair to secure your wig. When you're done securing the wig with elastic band, brush it down once again to define its shape. Make sure your elastic band is gently stretching so it feels tight but not uncomfortable on your head. For extra security, I'm wearing a wig cap and I'm generously applying my face powder on it that matches with my skin color. Let the wig sit on the perimeter of your head. Then taking your hair clips, clip both sides of your hair, This is to prevent hair strands from coming. Then I'm going in with my got2b free spray, and I will generously spray it on my hairline until it's tacky. You can use a blow dry to fasten the tackiness, or a piece of paper like I'm doing. I realized the glue wasn't tacky enough, so I went in with got2b again and repeated the same process. Place the lace first in the middle, then to your right, and then to your left. Secure your lace with a head wrap and tie it like so for about 10 minutes. Next, set your hot comb to the highest temperature and start melting down your lace until it lays nicely and flat. My left side of the lace isn't as flat as my right, so repeat the same procedure and melt down your lace until it lays flat and looks natural. Then repeat the same process again with the rest of the hair. I'm using my flat iron now, and I've set it to the highest temperature. Then I will divide my hair into two and clip up the section that I want to flat iron. I'm combing down the hair that I want to work on, and I will grab my flat iron and straighten the hair. Clip up the unworked section, comb the hair down once again, then flat iron another piece like so. Then I'll repeat the same procedure until I'm done with both sides of the hair. I like it when my lace lays super flat, so I'm going in with my got2b free spray once again and spray it around my lace wig. Then using my hot comb, I will melt it down until it lays flat and looks more natural. For the hair to lay flat, I will go in with my head wrap and tie it across the perimeter of my head for 5 minutes. Then using my foundation, I will give my lace part a natural feel, and that's it. That's a wrap. Guys, how sleek does my hair look right now? On a scale of 1 to 10, comment below. I believe this video was a beginner friendly, okay? So let me know if you're gonna try this method. See, I look fire. Fine babe. Fine babe, oh, fine babe. So guys, that's it. That's all I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please remember to subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below. Get updated anytime I post a new video. And by the way, before I end this video, I'd like to appreciate each and every one of you. We have finally hit 1,000 subscribers. I think we're at 1.6 right now. The journey has not been very easy. So guys, I really want to appreciate this moment. I mean, if it was not for you guys, I'll not be here, honestly. Yeah, knowing that, you know, starting from scratch, it's not very easy, if you know what I mean, right? So yeah guys, nawapenda sana. Thank you for the support. Oh my god, it's an emotional moment for me, honestly. Nawapenda sana. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video next week. Stay tuned. Bye.